Hello guys, today I will show you how to get the coordinates from the AutoCAD. Say for example you have one layout plan provided to you for and you have several coordinates here, but you actually don't know what is the coordinate of this structure, the four corners, and maybe you need to while executing in the field you need the coordinates of these positions. So how we can get the coordinates of these positions? For that, first you need to draw a point. So I'm drawing a point. Although you can see the big point here, but maybe at first you will see like this one. So if you are needed, you need to change the point type or point style like this one, and actually this intersection point is indicating the actual point, not the other parts. And what is the next step? We need to for the next step we need to create a multi-line text, but we will not write anything here. What we'll have to do, just right click and insert field, and maybe generally we'll get like these options all, but you need to go for the objects and select object. But as you can see, this part is empty because we didn't select an object type, and then type is not empty here. So what we'll have to do, the select object by picking the point. Now you can see what fields are available, like color, layer. So we'll go for the position point, and for the coordinates, xy coordinates, which you can separate by comma or semicolon like this, and maybe we can change the type also, like architectural decimal. Maybe we will go for the decimal units, and okay. So now you get the coordinates of these points. You can also change the background mask here, or text style from here. So this is the coordinate of this point. So how can I get the coordinates of this point and this point? So in that case, what you have to do, you need to just copy it and copy the point, go there, maybe go, say I want this coordinate. Okay. So although I have cop- changed the point locations, but you can see still the coordinates are same, like 512, 836. It is also 512, 836, and here also 512, 8367. So the coordinates are not changed. So what can I do? In that, right now, what we'll have to do, just update the fields, like update field, update field. Okay, press enter. Now to select what fields you want to update. You can just select one by one, or you can just select all of them and press enter. Now you see coordinates are changed. This one like 80315, and this one is 48311. So now you get the coordinate of this point and this point. Thank you for watching.